Hi folks, Nick Ruiz here at Sherry Conversion Vans in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2022 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L, stock number CP17766T. Now this van's been converted to a side entry mobility van by Adaptive Vans. This Pacifica is ceramic gray in color. It's got a little over 19,000 miles on it. "17" painted aluminum wheels, they're silver. Tires look to be brand new. You have privacy glass throughout the rear of the vehicle. Leather passenger and driver's seat. And the passenger seat is removable. So a wheelchair can sit up there next to the driver if you like. Driver's side is power. Leather wrapped steering wheel. Big Uconnect 5 touchscreen radio here. USB ports, HDMI hookups. Heated steering wheel. Memory seats. Power windows, locks, mirrors. Heated mirrors, blind spot monitoring. A lot of safety features. Power side door. We do have the rear sofa that seats 3, and it actually does recline, and so you can adjust that for comfort. You do have a non-slip composite flooring. Then you have your tracks for the Q strengths to hold the wheelchair down. You do have a hitch on the back, just a small hitch. Probably for something like a little, carry a scooter on the back, what have you. Rear wiper, rear backup camera, power lift gate. There's your 4 Q strengths to hold the wheelchair. Here's your badging from Adaptive Vans. We did the mobility conversion on this. There's a power side ramp with a non-slip coating on it. Simple to use. A little remote here. You hit the down button. Folds right out. Get up in here. And you do have in the rear here your AC and heat adjustable thermostat and your fan speed. And again, hit your remote. Makes your life a lot easier. Again, 2022 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L with an Adaptive Vans side entry mobility power ramp on the side. 19,000 miles. That's here at Sherry Conversion Vans in Piqua, Ohio. Come see me, Nick Ruiz.